guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's an exciting day because I get to photograph an engagement session. What I'm going to do is take y'all along so you can see a behind the scenes on how I guide, direct, pose my couples. I know taking photos of couples can be a little challenging, and so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make my couples feel comfortable in front of the camera. I will be using my big bulky lens, the 2870 2.0. It's a Canon lens, and the camera I'm using is my R5 today. So this lens, obviously it's massive. The reason why I love using it for my portraits is because it does go to a 2.0 aperture, and you can get that beautiful bokeh in the background. It also is a zoom lens, so I can just zoom in and out instead of having one portrait lens and switching lenses constantly. I hope you guys enjoy this video. That's cute. I love that. Perfect. Cute. Yes, that's cute. I love that. Okay, so I have my couple just twirling back and forth looking at each other. And maybe hold on to your dress, kind of like that. There you go. That way your hand isn't just kind of hanging. There you go. And yes, I always tell my couples, hold on to something. That's perfect. And these are just candid. They're easy. Love that. That's super cute. That's perfect. Yes, I love that. Kind of whisper something in her ear there and get her laughing. Bring your chin up a little bit though. Get the ring again.
I don't know, I'm just gonna laugh.
Cute. And actually a cute one would be like if you put your hands over his. Not under, not at the stomach, over. And then you're gonna put like the one hand here. And come in a little bit closer. So cute. Give her a kiss on the forehead. Aww. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. Love it, love it. Glance at me again. Yes. Cute. Down with your eyes. Two. There you go. That's perfect. Yes. Look down with your eyes as well. Super pretty. Go ahead and walk. Looking back. Cute. Looking down over the shoulder. That's perfect. Holding hands. Looking at each other. Walking. Cute. Smiling. Very cute. And then John, you're gonna look down at Tajana here. Perfect. And then look down, Tajana, with your eyes. And look down with your eyes here. Good. Get a couple this way. Lift your chin up just a little bit, Tajana. There you go. And then lean in. Yes. And then glance over at me.